Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make animated text GIF using Pixlr. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So as you can see here on my screen, this is the example that I made. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay? So first of all, you want to open your browser. Okay? And now search for Pixlr. So it is spelled as pixlr.com. Okay. So this may take a while, but don't worry because it's a easy tutorial. Okay. So now once you've searched for Pixlr, just go ahead and click on the Pixlr E. Click on Start Photo Editing. So click now on Create New. And now choose any size that you want. So let me just go ahead and choose this one. So for example, you want to change the size of this, of your layer. So what you need to do is to click on the page, and click on Smart Resize. Okay, so now just go ahead and change the width or the height or whatever you want to change. So let me just go ahead and change the height of it. So I want it 300. Okay, so that is fine with me. So I'm just gonna lock the proportions, click on apply. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my first layer. So what you need to do is to type or click on this text button right here. So I'm just gonna put it right here and type the first letter that you want to use. Okay, so or the first letter of the word. So let me just go ahead and search for and make love. Okay, so here you can change the size of it. So I'm just gonna go with, I think, 190. No, so I'm just gonna do it 150. Yeah, no, so that's it. This is my size that I want. So I'm just gonna adjust it. Also, I'm just gonna change the font. So I'll be choosing Georgia. So here, what I need you to do is to copy this one. So to copy it, you can just go ahead and click on the letter, press Ctrl C, or right click, then click on copy layer. Okay. So now click on the plus sign right here, click on empty, and I'm just gonna paste it right here. And by the way, the reason why I copying this, that is because I so that I can adjust the next letter. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do double click on this one and type this next letter. Okay, so as you can see, I can adjust the next letter according to the position of the first letter. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this for layer, and then now you just want to copy this one, click on empty layer. So Control V so that we can paste it here. Just go ahead and double click again, type this next letter, and here, copy again. So you need to make sure that every letter is on different layers, okay? So now for the last letter, I will be going to type letter E. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and simply adjust each letter according to your liking. So let me just go ahead and adjust this. Okay. So once you're happy with the position of your text, what you need to do is to select first letter, click on the animation button at the upper part of your screen, click on animation panel, and click on layer. Okay. So always remember that you click layer, and then here choose any animation that you want. So on my example earlier, what I selected is the vertical animation. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just gonna try an other animation. So I'll be using grow. Okay, so do that in every letter that you have. Okay, but you can choose different animation in each letter. Okay, but I want it to be the same in all of the letters that I have. Okay, so now as you can see here at the right side of each layer that I have this lighting bolt icon. So that means that in this layer I have animation. Okay, so now what I need you to do is to just go ahead and save this. So click on the file button right here or press Ctrl S on your keyboard. Here you want to click on GIF and you want to turn on the or toggle the switch for loop animation as well as transparency. Okay, so I'm sorry before I forgot, I'm just going to change the color of of this. Okay, so, so wait, I'll be choosing I think this color. So let me just go ahead and find out how I can change the color of the letters. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna change the color, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the first letter, select the color that I want. So I'm just going to choose red one. So this one, I think. No, choosing this one. Then click again on the second letter. Choose this any color that you want. Okay. So now let's just go ahead and save this. Click on GIF. Toggle the switch for loop animation as well as in transparency. Choose the speed that you want. So it really depends on your liking. So I'll be choosing this one. And then size, you can choose whatever you want. And then let's just go ahead and click on save as. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on save, but you can rename your file whatever you want. Okay. So now once it is done, let's just go ahead and check the JF that we made. So as you can see, this is the final output of the JF that I made. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.